back to my channel, and today I am going to show you my latest paper collection, Time to Travel. Stay tuned! Hey guys, so yeah, it's time to travel. This is my new collection, and yeah, I think during the weather it's getting better and better each day, and of course traveling is a very wonderful thing, so I am just going to show you what my idea was for this theme. So first of all, it's an A4 size, and there are 78 sheets in total, 12 double-sided papers and 6 sheets each, but you also get the cover double-sided, so that's a bonus. So let's dig in. Okay, let's just start. So the front cover, I normally like to add some pictures, so some images that you can still cut out when you are going to use this paper pad. So I chose for a like vintage old camera, and I really like this girl. So this traveling girl with the backpack, I really love it. So it's very easy to use that as well. And these suitcases, yeah, you know I love suitcases. So these 3 images you can cut out as many time as you want. Plus I added a nice border. I could not resist this nice geranium flower border, so you still can add, you can cut easily out and use that on every tag, card, page, whatever you want, even this direction for in your album. So it's so cool. I thought it was fun using some more images on the front cover. Alright, let's go to the back. So the back is a very nice beige cream color background with some light brown ornaments, and they are floating a little bit like darker and faded. I really like this page. Very easy to use with every theme. So that's why I chose this for the back cover. First of all, still, I apologize for talking strange. It's for my new dentures. So that can take a long time before I talk normally. But then you know why that is. So I do not have any chewing gum in my mouth or a sweet or food or whatever. No, they are new dentures. Not new, but yeah. Alright, so the next page is yeah, the suitcases come back, and there are also nice stamps and passport things going around. I really like this, so cool. So it's a nice going everywhere page with loads of traveling theme things. I really like this, so cool. Love it. Then we go to the back. I can't resist using a nice vintage red color background, and we have some little theme, little white leaves on the front, flowery leaves. I don't know exactly, but I really like this image. Very easy to use. This direction or this direction. That's very easy. Then for the next page is just a random image that I used, also with the same red color. Really like this. You can also use it this direction or this direction. That's easy to use. It's a nice cream color background, a little grungy. Not that much, but just a very nice, easy page. Like it. Very cool. Then we go to the back. This one I really like. It is red, but you also can give it a nice old pink one because it's very light. I really like it. Real nice image, and if you can't take it closely, it's a nice ornament that you see. But I made it that small that it's not that obvious. Really cool. I like it. I have to take a sip of my water. Wait just a sec. Okay, let's go to the next page. And of course I made some cut out pages with these little cards, tags. So cool. So this theme is Time to Travel, but I did not make a particular country or a sea thing, or no, it's more a time to travel. Yeah, city trips. Yeah, you can call it. Yeah, I think it's more city trip meaning traveling than just one traveling theme. So, and these tags really gives that, because I really, and also the traveling vehicle, that is the most thing I think I use. So here we have a nice, I call this, I have no idea, in metro, yeah, I know it's not a metro because metro is underground. Little train thing in the city, I don't know, Portugal really has nice ones, but all over the world they have these things. Very nice vintage bike, really like it. This old plane. In the past I did went on these small ones, so cute. A sailboat, a scooter, Venice of course, and then this cable thing, gondel thing. Love that. In Swiss, Austria, Germany, you name it, everywhere you have those. A very nice bike, and here again those geranium flowers comes back. And then this is a metro underground, really spooky, but I love it. So yeah, that is a little bit a city trip theme, I think, when I think about it now. Let's go to the back. Oh, I really like this one, to use all the colors that comes back during this collection. And I added some ornament here and there with the edges. Really like it. So all the colors are coming back with this stripe. Always love to do that. And then, yeah, you know, I love ornaments all as well. So I chose for this one, it's a nice grungy background with a red one. So easy to be used as well. And let's go to the back. When I made this, I also have it on the back of my table. Why did I make this? Well, if you do a city trip and you can go have a picnic in a nice big park. So that is a little bit why I chose this one. So when I see this, I think of a nice picnic. So yeah, maybe stupid, I don't know, but I just love it. And then we go again to a nice busy one with all kind of images that has something to do with traveling. Yeah, the Eiffel Tower is coming back, but also other things to be seen. I have no clue how they all called, but there are nice things everywhere, so it's easy to be used as well. I really like this page. And then on the back is a nice solid blue, but there is still a nice image going around, a nice background. So, but this one has some wavy things. So when I see this, I think of the water, the sea, a lake, a river, something like that. So everything has a little touch to it. Alright, let's go to the next one. This is one of my favorite ones. A nice solid beige background, but then with the earth images, I call it. Yeah, I have no clue how it calls it in English, but so cool. I really like this one. It's very easy to be used. Also nice backgrounds for pockets or nice tags. So cool. And then the back is a really grungy page, grungy edges, a beige color on the back, and then the little leaves that I also had with the red one. This comes back, but then in the blue. So cool, easy to be used. And then we have this ornament coming back that I also have in red. So now this gives this I really like this because this gives a nice light blue touch, and I could not resist to have another little image in the corner. Yeah, I really like this one. Nothing further to explain. And then the back, yeah, could not resist bringing back this one as well. Had nothing to do with traveling, but I just love this page. I really think it fits amazing with everything, but then in blue. And then we come to the next cut out page. I need to have a sip. But the dentures are just so dry. Okay, sorry for the disturbing. Alright, so this images. Yeah, again, Venice. You know, I just adore Venice. I just love it. So could not resist using this image as well. Another bike with the red pink geraniums coming back. I love this image. And again, this train thing. Shoot me because I have no clue what it's called. And then, and again, a nice scooter with again the I had something with the flowers, the geranium flowers. I really loved it. It's just, it makes me happy to see a little flower here and there hanging on outside. Again, a bike. Yep, sorry, but I love these images. And then here we have a little boat on a big lake. Oh, adorable. And then some words. It calls adventure, bon voyage, take a trip, just go. The world awaits, time to travel. Yeah, so cool. Then we go to the back. This one is the same as the back cover, but then in blue. So again, a nice beige background with grungy edges and some nice ornaments that goes up and faded. And then a little compass in this corner that we can use. So cool. I can't wait to start with this, but I have something in mind that I can make with this, but you can make loads of cool things, but I have something in mind. This one is a nice beige one. It also has some ornaments in the back, but then very, very light. So it's actually just a nice grungy beige paper. I love this. Can you imagine? You go traveling on a city trip and then dress like this? You don't see them anymore. Well, a few, but not that much. I wish it comes back. I would, absolutely. Let's go to the back. So here we have a nice brown one, but also the wavy thing. So it's not the muddy thing that I think about this, but I love the image. It's easy to be used, and a brown color fits enormously well with all these papers. So we have to follow. Then this page again, yeah, with some Paris things, Eiffel Tower, the London clock tower, sorry for all the words. I don't know every word of them. I just don't know them, but all kind of country things are on this page, and I really like the vintage look with that. If you see it in hand, you know what I mean, but it does not adjust it on camera. But it's a really nice beige color, a nice vintage color. All colors are very beigey. I really like it. Let's go to the back. This one has, yeah, some little images, some clouds, some little bikes, some planes, but all a little bit hand drawn. I don't know exactly, but I really like this. Very funky, I think. Childish? No, that's not the word. Be a little bit doodling kind of drawings. I don't know the words. Anyway, I loved it. And then we have another beige background, grungy edges, and again those little tiny leaves. Yeah, I know, I could not resist. I just love it. And then this image with the diary maps or whatever, compass, whatever you will see here, a little camera here that you need. That you can take with your city trip traveling things that you can use. I really like it. Who does take a journal with them on holidays? I did in the past, to write something down and add little pictures on. I did in the past. Need to get that back. And then we have another map earth ball thing going on right here. I'm so terrible in explaining things, but when you see it, you know what I mean. Yeah. I apologize, but I'm not an English person, but I do my best. I really like this. Fits enormously well with the brown ones. And then we come to the last page, but not least. I could not resist adding some postcards, because yeah, it's not happening that much. I know, but there are still people who send a postcard when they are on holiday or visiting a city trip or whatsoever. There are people who do that. And I just love it. To receive them, but also do it. So these are my little postcards. So it's very cool to add this in your album or journaling. And then these little journaling cards. Again, this nice geranium flower. A little stamp. I really like these. Very easy to be used. So cool. Easy going, but I love it. And then on the back, yeah, this is also very easy going, but I could not resist using some country stamps. I call these little things, and then I just throw them everywhere, and that makes this page so cool. I really like it. It's so cool. I like it. Alright guys, so what do you think, guys? What do you think of my paper collection, Time to Travel? I hope you're gonna like it. Yeah, give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. So thank you so much for watching, and please join my tutorial. So let's see what we can make this time. Enjoy it. Bye bye. By the way, if you are interested in getting this paper, just send me an email. Just send me an email and ask for the paper collection, Time to Travel. I will do send worldwide, and there is also, for all my collection, there are also printables available if the shipping is too much for you and you like to print them yourself. That is also available. Just send me an email. Thank you so much. Bye bye.